When I was young, my mom feed me a durian. I was like a baby, so I start throwing up. Not even eating yet. Smell it, and then I was like. And then I grow up a little bit, and then I can understand ice cream. And then it was like, this is ice cream. I was like, oh, ice cream. So I eat a lot after that. One of our famous dessert in Thailand is the Durian with sticky rice. So I'm gonna show you how to make sticky rice from the scratch. And of course, king of the fruit, Durian. Smells beautiful. Can't wait to open it up. So now I have glutinous rice or sticky rice, as you all know, soaked in the water. It has been soaked in the water for 5 hours already, and then we're ready to steam. We do the traditional with the bamboo basket, and then they have a lid on here, ready to go. The water is boiling. It takes like 25 minutes. Cook faster than rice, but we're gonna steam it. In the pot here, we have water running, and then I put the sticky rice in the cheesecloth. You can rinse rice in cold water. So usually we do it like 3 times until the water get like clear. So just to make sure as well, but as you can see, nothing contained inside. Sometimes have the little rocks or stone inside or something like not supposed to be in there. So to wash the rice, just to taking all the dust and then whatever it might come with. So just want to make sure. So we rinse it 3 times before we steaming it. Next, I have the rice in cheesecloth here. I spread it out a little bit so it cook evenly, and put the cheesecloth covering it. At this stage, you can add the pandan leaf, fresh pandan leaves in it as well, so to make it more fragrant. Then the water is boiling. We're gonna put the sticky rice in it and cover. So we're gonna steam for 25 minutes. While we're waiting, I'm gonna make the coconut milk, more like a sauce, to soak, to absorb after sticky rice had been finished steaming. The mango sticky rice or the durian with the sticky rice is one of my favorite desserts because of it. It's easy, comforting, sweet, salty. We add also coconut syrup, is what I should say. Also, all the Thai dessert has the salt in it. So because we like sweet, salty flavor. Even though when we have a fruit plate, we do chili salt, pounded fresh chili or dry chili, make it more flavorful. I'm gonna pour the coconut milk in. We have white sugar, we have salt. So we should have this ready for the rice. So we just warm or hot. Hot probably would be the right word to say. When the sticky rice finished steaming, and then you have hot coconut syrup to pour in so it absorbs faster. It will take around 20 minutes to absorb, so we have to wait until the sticky rice absorbing all the coconut syrup here. I'm using equal amount, 1:1, rice to the ratio of the coconut syrup. After it boils and all the sugar dissolves, I'm gonna put aside and then start making the topping coconut cream on top of the sticky rice. After it's boiling, we just simmer it for a few minutes and then it's ready. So all the sugar has been dissolved, and then we're gonna rest it on the side. Okay, next we're gonna make coconut cream to be topping before we serve. So it's kind of like really creamy, sweet, salty flavor. So I have coconut milk here, have sugar, salt, big pinch, corn flour. Corn flour will be more like a thickening and then hold the coconut milk together, not to separate it. Also, you can use the rice flour as well. And then afterwards, we're gonna cook it. Okay, after it boils, just cook for a few minutes on the stove until it become thick, and then we're gonna add a touch of coconut milk to thin it down just a little bit, so it's ready to use for our coconut sauce. After you have the coconut milk soaked into the sticky rice, glutinous rice for 20 minutes to half an hour, then this is the texture that you're looking for. So everything stick together, still soft, really creamy flavor, sweet, salty, and then I just add a touch more of coconut milk just to fresh it up. We like to serve it room temperature, or you can heat it up, steam it up just a little bit, like a little warm, and then I'm gonna let it rest. The fun part is the durian. It's ready to go. It's ready. I can smell. There's a few things. The smell. So strong smell coming out is ready. The fruit is ripe. Second thing, they use the like a tube, like a plastic tube, and then you just hit it. It had like a noise. We can use the back of the knife. So you can hear. This is ready to open it up. Or sometimes you're not really sure. You cut like a pocket here to check, and then you can close it if it's not ready. So you can let it ripe for like a few days longer. Open it up. So you touch it, it's soft, ready to eat. This is a perfect texture. For me, it's ready for me to eat. You can peek what it looks like if your durian is ready to eat. I can smell it, so it's ready to go. Some of the shop they use a leather glove to hold it because of the thorns here quite sharp. You might cut your finger. Let me show you the whole fruit. As you can see here, the fruit is just here in this segment. So you cut in between. You see the line. So this is the way that you cut it open. Also looking on the bottom part, you can see here as well, all the segment that you can start cutting. So you're not gonna cut into the fruit. We have like 3 different types of durian. We have chani, which is much more smaller. And then we have gan yao, which is all the Thai people like, which is the long stem. And then we have the most expensive one is the mon tong, mean golden pillow. So it looked like golden pillow, right? When I was young, my mom feed me a durian. I was like a baby. So I started throwing up. Not even eating yet. Smell it, and then I was like. And then I grow up a little bit, and then I can understand ice cream. And then it was like, this is ice cream. I was like, oh, ice cream. So I eat a lot after that. I don't know what happened. Oh wow. This is I'm not expecting this. So this is not great at all. I guess I'm the lucky person. Oh, this is horrible. This is not a good durian. It's already start mushy already, overripe. I'm gonna go to the store to get another batch of durian, which is ready. Open it up, show you the finishing dish. Here's the perfect one, already prepared, store-bought, ripe, and soft. I'm gonna do the finishing dish using the parchment paper to hold. Cut it open. Take the seed out. Taking the seed out, I'm gonna sandwich it between durian and sticky rice. And here we are, our durian with the sticky rice. This is amazing. Oh, it tastes like ice cream. King of the fruit. Durian with the sticky rice.